In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Shopify account and properly close your online store. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Settings, located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, select Plan from the Settings menu. Here you'll see your current Shopify subscription details and billing information. Look for the option that says Deactivate Store, Cancel Subscription or Cancel Trial depending on your account status. Before continuing, make sure you back up important information like products, customer data, orders and reports because deleting your Shopify account permanently removes access to your store data. If you connected a custom domain, remember to transfer or disconnect it before closing your store. After selecting the cancellation option, Shopify may ask for a reason for leaving and request confirmation of your decision. Once you confirm, your Shopify store will be permanently deactivated and your subscription will end. Thanks for watching.